Alright, so for this week we're going to be looking at one stock and one currency pair. For the stock, we're going to be looking at Bill.com. As we can see, on Friday there was a lot of bullish movement. It went from 245 to approximately 286. This was about a $40 gain in large amounts. If you traded stocks, you would be able to have made a lot. The quarterly returns were sent out on Friday, so if you had that information beforehand and if you did the research, then you would have that information prior and you could have entered into this trade. Now, if you would have traded an option or multiple options or purchased multiple options, you would have bought many. You would have made a lot more. On top of that, if we were going to look at this on a technical analysis perspective, then you would have entered into this trade on the 18th, and the price then was under $200 and it jumped up to $283. Keep in mind, trading options, there's a lot more potential to earn more simply because one option is equal to 100 stocks. This is the Awake Global Mean indicator. Keep in mind that you will get access to all of the indicators if you enter and if you join and if you get accepted into the mastermind program. You'll get access to the education, the indicators, and our daily watch list. So this is the stock that we were looking at. Now let's move over to the currency pair. This is the euro dollar. As we can see, we're looking at it on the 1 hour chart. Oh, by the way, the bill, ticker symbol bill, was on the 1 minute chart. So as we can see over here, each of the tickers, each of the candlesticks equals 1 minute. Now let's jump over back to the euro dollar. Looking at it on the hour chart, this is from April 7th. Today is, August, where are we? August 21st, 29th, okay. Today is August 29th. We're going to look at it from this week. As you can see, there is this week alone. You could have entered into a few trades and made a lot. Take, for example, if you entered into this trade in June, required very little. June 11th, you'd have been in it till June 27th. This would be considered a swing trade. If you entered in it from there, you would have to do very little work and you would have made a profit. But looking at it on the hour chart, so let's move over to the 5 minute chart. And let's just expand this. So now we're looking at it from the 17th. As you can see, bearish movement, bullish movement. You're definitely going to be profitable if you trade this chart and if you trade with this indicator. So yeah, keep in mind that this is the Awake Global Mean indicator. It makes it very, very simple to trade, and you can get access to that, all of this information, as well as a lot more if you join the mastermind. So if you are interested, send us an email at admin@awakeglobalcapital.com and we will get back to you as soon as possible.